Are you a big or small importer? Do you run dropshipping business? Do you own a physical store? Do you depend on updating status before making sales? Come on, let's make life easier. Log on to pcmatng.com, hover over the menu to set up a store for free. Scroll down to where you have you, click on the plus, then click on the plus under registration and click on become a seller. Then fill up the pop-up form and you become a seller. With that, let me show you how to import product to your store freely. Now log into your account, and then once you are logged in as a seller, you can click on the shop, and then you come to the shop page. Any product in the shop page here is available for you to sell, and this is how to go about it. Let's assume I'm interested in this MS smartwatch. I'll click on it once I'm logged in already as a seller. Then when I scroll down, let me see. Okay, let's scroll down, and then we're going to see add to my store here. So I'm going to click on add to my store. Once I click on add to my store, it is going to bring me directly to my store, where I can add one or two more details about this product. Mind you, all the details needed for this product has been imported by clicking on add to my store. The description, all the images, all the details about this product have been imported. So the only thing I need to do now is to change prices and then indicate how long it is going to take for me to deliver this item. Let's check. You can see all the description. I don't need to write anything. No need to rack my brain for what to write as description. No need to do any copying and pasting. None of that. All the details that my customer need at a glance has just been imported, including images. Yes, here are all the images that my customer needs to know the details about this product. So all have been imported. Now, there are some products, we call them variable products, like products that have different colors, different sizes. Like if you see this product here, you can see color red, purple. So if you don't have this purple, for instance, all you need to do is click on this X. Then you see this purple, do you want to delete? You just click on OK, and purple will not be part of those products of that wristwatch in your store. So look at the price now. Let's say your own price is different from this 44k, what have you. You can change it. Let's assume you want to sell it for 50,000 naira. You type 50,000 naira instead of the 40,000 naira. Or if your price is less, your own price, you can change the price. That's what I'm saying. And then you see the option here of back order. Maybe you can choose out of those three options. Now come down and change the date of the delivery. When will the item be ready for shipping from your store? Please, you can choose any time here, but it is only when the item has been successfully delivered to the customer that PCMart is going to pay you. No matter how many order comes to you, you have to be able to fulfill them. The customer satisfaction is key to us, so the customer knows his item will arrive on or before the day stipulated. So once that is those two items have been changed, you can click on submit for review. That is, you have changed the price to your taste, you have changed the delivery time, then you can click on the submit for review. Also know that there are different ways by which you can search for any item you want to sell on PCMart. For instance, you can come down to the search, and then let's say I want this shoe. I type shoe and then click on the search icon there, or the button for search, and then all the shoes option on PCMart will be listed. I will just need to search through to find which one fitting most to. Yeah, let's assume I want this 2020. I click on it, then you see I'm going to see the option of add to my store here. So once I click on it, it will be imported. If you search for an item but could not find it, please note that you can check back in 24 hours time. The system has a way of informing us of items you search for. Also, you can contact us.
Call us on 0701235336 or you visit our menu at www.pcmatng.com. PCMat, your market in your hands.